job notification for semi-skilled B and C for mechanical, chemical, electrician, instrumentation, instrument and mechanic. So total number of vacancies 84. Last date of application is 21/2022. So official website is tnpl.com careers. Okay, so semi-skilled B and C, mechanical, chemical, electrician, instrumentation, instrument and mechanic. Total number of vacancies 84 TNPL. So for semi-skilled mechanic chemical, so total number of vacancies 41. Okay, so general turn is 12, BC 11, BCM 2, MBC 8, SC 6, SC 1, ST 1. So salary is 2020. Salary is 44,538 for month. So semi-skilled mechanical for unit 2, total number of vacancies 21. General turn 7, BC 6, MBC DNC 4, SC 3, SCA 1. SCDC is 50. Semi-skilled electrician is general 3, BC 3, BCM 1, MBC 3, SC 2. So CTC is 43. Okay. So fourth one, semi-skilled instrumentation or instrument mechanic. Okay, total number of vacancies 10. General 4, BC 2, MBC 2, SC 1, SCO 1. CTC is 48,838. So official website is tnpl.com careers. Okay, can filling the application, online application to we can visit the TNPL website www.tnpl.com careers. So for the particular posting, the chemical semi-skilled C, chemical semi-skilled B, number of vacancies 41, reservations seats, and qualification is first class full time diploma in chemical engineering or chemical technology plus papers technology. Okay, for semi-skilled maximum 1/1/2022, age limit is 30, general 10, BCM 12, CST is 35. So semi-skilled B is minimum 30 years. So should you have experience. Okay, should you have experience 5 years for the post qualification experience as on 1/1/2022. Semi-skilled B should have minimum 10 years of post qualification experience as on 1/1/22 with operation of process control, high speed paper machines, board machines, paper board converting sections. Next, so mechanical, okay, 21 vacancies. So qualification SSLC with NTC in fitter trade with not less than 60% of mark and national apprenticeship certificate NAC and national certificate. So qualification SSLC with the NTC in fitter trade with not less than 60% of marks and national apprenticeship certificate NAC. For so semi-skilled D is maximum as 1/1/2022, semi-skilled C is minimum 30 years experience. So semi-skilled D should have minimum 5 years of post qualification experience. Semi-skilled C is should have minimum 10 years of post qualification experience. Okay, so for electrician 12 vacancies. So qualification is SSLC with NTC in electrician trade with not less than 60% of marks and national apprenticeship certificate NAC. Experience should have minimum 5 years of post qualification experience. Semi-skilled C is should have minimum 10 years of post qualification experience. Next to the post of semi-skilled C post instrumentation and instrument mechanic. Okay, DNC. So qualification first class full time diploma in instrumentation engineering, instrumentation technology, instrumentation and control engineering, electronics and instrumentation engineering. Okay, so SSLC with NTC in instrument mechanic trade not less than 60% national apprenticeship certificate NAC. So experience for that particular post should have minimum 5 years of post experience as on 1/1/2022. Should have minimum 10 years of post qualification experience as on 1/1/2022. So So semi-skilled D is have minimum 5 years of post qualification experience, and semi-skilled C should have minimum 10 years of post qualification experience on 1/1/2022. So general, what is the general instruction for the candidate should have scored 60% of marks in ITI, NTC, trad without any rounding off. Intensive training, apprenticeship training under the Apprenticeship Act 2020 will not be considered as experience. Okay, the standards should ensure that they fulfill the eligibility criteria and other requirements under the particulars furnished by then correct in all respect. So applications are not be conformed with the requirements indicated in the advertisement. Incomplete application will not be entertained. TNPL reserves the right to cancel, restrict, enlarge, reopen the agreement process if the need so arise without issuing any further notice or assigning any reason thereof. Candidates who are claiming benefits of reservation relaxation are to produce a community certificate issued by the appropriate authority from the ground of Tamil Nadu. The post qualification experience will be calculated only after acquiring the essential qualification and diploma in engineering, chemical engineering plus paper technology, diploma in instrumentation engineering, instrumentation technology, instrumentation control, electronics instrumentation, national apprenticeship certificate. So application is the candidates who are confirmed to the job requirements give the only online application in www.tnpl.com. If you are applying online, the candidates would possess a valid email ID and mobile number. Candidates would advised to go through the user manual before applying the online filling the online applications. Okay, so send the send the other copy of the application form along with the documents in a cover subscribing the application for the post of dash. Okay, want to send the courier at least 27/1/2022 of the following. The general. So these self-attested copies of following documents are to be enclosed along the application form. Proof of date of birth certificates, Aadhaar card, PAN card, proof of possessing requirement qualification, professional diploma, NTC with NAC, community certificate, experience certificate, latest pay slip from the present employer. Application received from the insufficient documents will be summarily rejected. Okay, so for any help, for any case of clarification, need any clarification, candidates can contact the helpline number. Okay, this is the helpline number. Okay, so also mail ID. Okay, recruitment.hr@tnpl.co.in. So this is the opening application is 6/1/2022. Online closing applications is 20/1/2022. Receipt of hard copy of the application is 27/1/2022. Thank you.